A quiet hush suddenly fell over the stock market this week. Let's bring in Joe Tigay of Equity Arm Investments. Joe, what is going on with the market and what are your three to watch today?
Yeah, it's been a quiet week. There's not a lot of economic data and there's not a lot of earnings. The past 2 weeks we saw a ton of earnings, a lot of economic data. We're waiting till next week's CPI for the next big data point. So the first thing I'm noticing is never sell a dull market. There's not a lot of data points going out there. The market actually tends to do well in these time periods, but we're gearing up for next week's big numbers. And the next thing I'm looking at is oil. Now, oil, Angie, is for me the most important thing to be watching in this market right now. We know about the geopolitical concerns out there. I think that started this inflationary trend that we saw at the start of the year. Higher oil prices makes everything else more expensive. I think that's what the inflation has been at the start of the year. Now, miraculously, Angie, oil has been coming down in spite of these rising tensions. We know about the tensions going on domestically. Maybe those are getting bigger, but fortunately, things have not really escalated to a point that are out of control in the Middle East, and prices are remaining subdued. I think that's good news on the inflationary front. And I think that's critical to keep these prices on the downtrend for that trend to continue. And finally, the Fed, I think Powell, I don't think he would have said, I don't see the stag nor the inflation if he knew what was coming. So I do think there's going to be good news on the economic front and inflation front going forward.
An optimistic view. I like that, Joe. Thank you.
Thanks for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.